Hello everyone, Frosty901 here. What I have here is a US Lock brand lock with what I'm told is a government restricted keyway, but it is a wide open one. So by restricted, they just mean, can't duplicate the key or something, It's not restricted as in hard to pick. I'm sure these were not used in high security applications, but they did come out of the federal building in Lockcracker's town. Now this one, I'm told, if I remember correctly, came out of the same building, and I'm trying to get it to where you can read it. Property of U.S. government, do not duplicate. So, got two federal locks here. Now, if I'm not mistaken, these are all standard pins. In this one, I haven't stuck a pick to that one yet. Click on one. Click on three. Click on two. Open on four. Alright, let's take a look and see what the federal U.S. government has in their buildings. Ah, crap, screws. No keys, so I'm going to try not to lock this up. Lord knows I would not want to have to go through that long picking process again. Pretty sure these are all just standard pins. I didn't feel anything any different than that. Okay, yeah, it's got the multicolored pins. They all had to be picked. It's about the most we can say for it. We know it was rekeyed at some point. Standard. Standard. Looks like all the drivers are not only just going to be standard, but they're all the exact same size. All the springs are the same. I'll just dump one of them. And there you go, folks. U.S. government federal building lock. Alright. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day. I'll probably go on ahead and pick this one next. But till then, everybody have a great time. Thanks for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next lock.